One of my grands is here. This is Sullivan, y'all, Kari's son, and they are home from Birmingham for the weekend. And this is Wesley. Do you go by Wes or Wesley?
Wesley.
And this is like Sullivan's best friend in the whole entire world. In fact, the reason he wanted to come home was not to see his guinea, but to see...
it was you too.
But it was to see Wesley. And I don't care what got you here as long as you're here, sonny boy. All right, so they came here just in time to help me with some Halloween goodies.
Yeah.
So we have gotten our sticks. Y'all get out a couple of sticks and do 2 marshmallows on them. Just do them right in the center. This is easy.
How many sticks?
Just 1 stick for 2 marshmallows. See how this looks? Come on, y'all can do it. I got faith in you. All right, so now we are gonna stick our pop.
Perfect.
Oh no!
We lost.
We lost a marshmallow.
Okay.
Okay, oh, that's perfect. Let me get another marshmallow. I don't think this is melted enough, Eddie. Okay. Y'all want to get a fork and get that marshmallow out of there? And I think we're going to need to melt it a little bit more. I want to squish that down good. All right, guys. Mr. Eddie got us out. Okay, baby, Wesley, stick that in there, baby, and get that 1 marshmallow covered. You know what? I think we're gonna need a little help with a knife. Ooh, that's good. That is good, Wes. I'm gonna take. Oh my gosh! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a knife.
Oh.
All right,
I'm gonna get a knife and just smooth this out on your marshmallow like that.
Can I dip mine?
Yes.
How's that? Yes, dip.
And just kind of swirl it a little bit.
Yeah, swirl it.
Look at that, Wesley. Yours was perfect.
Can't get all the way to the bottom.
It's all right.
Doesn't matter. Here, scoop it around the side. That's all. I got it. Oh, yeah, all over my
Here,
hands.
baby. See if that'll help you. Yeah, now take that and just spread it all over it, because it really comes out thick. What are y'all doing at y'all's house for Halloween? What are y'all making? Wouldn't you like to know what everybody's making out there? Really? No?
All I know is that we're probably going to carve pumpkins or something.
Oh, yeah.
There's a person in our neighborhood in the flats. Because we live in mountains, basically. And they have like a 20-foot skeleton in front of their house. It's like massive.
Is it real?
No, ma'am. It's like a Halloween decoration.
All right. Is it still hot enough to get the next one? Look at that. That's a wonderful hanger. All right, y'all not going to do this one?
I'll get this one.
You know what? I think it's easier like this. To just get you.
spread it
Yes.
out.
Isn't that
Probably.
easier?
Yeah, it comes out thick.
Yes, because chocolate is, it can be difficult to work with, you know? But if we take it like that and do it just like that, I think that's going to be our answer. What do y'all think?
Yeah, that's what we should do.
Yes, I think so. So look at that. This is one of those finger licking things. Perfect.
Oh.
What you say, guys? Yeah, you got it. Just put plenty on that, Sully, and
Yeah, I just scoop it with that.
yeah,
and
that
then
makes it
spread
so much better, because those marshmallows are actually will want to slip off. You know, they want
Yeah.
to slip off their stick, and we don't want to lose a marshmallow.
Because we want to eat
Because
them.
one of us would have to eat it. Blow it. Whoa!
Oh.
Little boys, come on over here and see me, please. Little boys. Take care of the old lady, okay? And the old lady will take care of y'all. What are you doing down there, Wesley?
Man, that elevator is slow.
It's slow.
Yeah, that elevator is slow right there.
So, to just catch y'all up, I'm here with one of my greats, Sullivan, Kari's baby, and they're here for a few days on fall break. And this is Wesley, Sullivan's favorite friend in the whole world. And so the
BFF.
first place they went, BFF, the first place they stopped at was directly to Wesley's house to pick him up and bring him here. So we've kidnapped you, Wesley.
We've adopted him now. This is
Oh, you have?
this is like my second house because I'm always here.
Oh, well, good. I like you feeling like it's your second home.
So cool.
All right, so guys, we've got to we put this in the refrigerator, y'all, so it can get cold because it's so sticky. So all we want to do is just make him a hat. I think I don't need another knife.
Look at that.
Oh, that's perfect, Wesley.
His head. His head.
He is perfect. All right, let's see. We'll have to stick them back down in there while they dry.
His finger looking thing. Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
Ooh, this one, I did this one good. I
I like
did.
mine. Look at it.
I did that one pretty good. Better than the other
You
one.
look so.
Little boy.
Gotta take the elevator. Slow elevator.
Wesley's scared of the old lady. All right, you want to do that last one?
Yes, ma'am. Stairs are faster.
All right, y'all get up there so you can do it. Do it, do it, do it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Perfect, Wesley. Perfect.
My tail. Yeah, that's actually kind of good color right there. Like,
Oh, that's good.
oh yeah,
That's
on the
good.
side. That was like,
That's good.
yeah, that was like, here.
Okay. Now, this is Guinea's got a picture with some suggestions on how you finish decorating your monster. Now, we've got some gel right here, but you have to remember this gel will not dry.
Ooh.
What kind of bank's you doing?
I'm getting sturdy.
You doing what?
Getting sturdy.
Getting what?
It's called sturdy. It's a dance.
Sturdy. I've never heard of that.
Listing all these words that come up with
Sturdy. Okay, so what sturdy? Teach me how to
Smells
do
so
it.
good.
What sturdy?
It's like, yeah. Hey,
Oh, that's
hey,
like-
hey, hey,
hey. That's kind of like, that looks like another country's dance. What country?
Oh, it's like a, yeah, be like, hey,
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 get it,
Hey.
get it?
Hey.
Yeah.
hey, hey. No.
Oh, man.
Y'all are silly willies. All right. First thing let's do, guys, is open your pretzels, please.
Pretzels.
And then we want to break them in half. One pretzel.
And then just like stick it in the
See how he's got what do you call that when it goes through your head? Did you eat the pretzel instead of breaking it in two for me?
Oh, it's good. It's pretty good.
Well, I'm glad it's good.
Oh, that was a bad one.
Oh, it's perfect. He's a monster.
Ah.
Uh-oh.
So just eat them.
This has gotten so hard. All right, where's my other half?
In my mouth.
No!
5 second rule.
All right, so see, he's got that.
Oh my.
What is
so
that thing that
hard.
goes through your head?
Bolt.
Yeah, bolts.
It's so hard that it's hard to get through.
I know. You have to just kind of. All right, now.
Getting on the bolts now.
Now we got to make his mouth.
Jenny,
What, baby?
look at that.
It's perfect. It's perfect.
Feels like a scarecrow.
That's his brow right there. And
Yeah,
that's
another
his,
scarecrow down.
and
Scared
that's
on
his
birds.
eyes.
So that way we can eat them.
Right, if you do the
Oh yeah, the
eyes,
googly
you
eyes.
may have to dip it in that chocolate first and dab it on the back.
Oh
Or
gosh.
here, just use the stick. Use the stick with some chocolate. And
Let's see. Guinea didn't do so good, but that's all right.
We're gonna put the googly eyes. It doesn't matter. It's gonna taste good.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. I mean, like,
Look, he's got blood dripping down him.
whenever you make
Somebody
stuff,
hit him in the head.
Ashley,
Oh gosh, I forgot to put my eyes on mine.
I'm gonna get some. Get some. I ate blood decoration.
You ate your eye.
Get some like blood dripping down,
Yes.
and then
Oh, these eyes make it so spooky. Look how spooky. Look, guys.
whoa,
Whoa.
that's cool. So, how do you put the eyes in?
Y'all,
You gotta-
please, if y'all make these out there, please let me
How do
see
you
what
put 'em
y'all's look like.
How do you put 'em
okay? All right, guys. What do y'all want to tell our friends out there before we go?
Make sure to eat some of the pretzels. They're good.
Okay, that's Wesley's tip.
Have a good day and definitely try this out.
Yes, that's
about-
wonderful.
happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.